Hello and welcome to Streams.live tutorials. In this video I will be showing you how to use the studio and start your live shopping session using a professional camera and a broadcasting software. After you have set up your video source to professional camera, added the products and configured all details, you can now move on to the final step before you can actually go live. Click on Start Session and you will be directed to the studio. It is important to mention that by clicking Start Session, you will not go live automatically. There are just a few steps that need to be done in the studio before you are good to go. Welcome to your studio. As you can see here, the screen is black and you have two links. One is a URL and one is an RTMP key. To start the session, you must copy these two elements and add them to your broadcasting software. For this tutorial, we will be using OBS, the most popular broadcasting software available online. Although there are many other software solutions doing what OBS does, we recommend that you use it. It is very simple to configure and it's free of charge. So let's open our OBS software. This is how OBS looks like. There are many functions that you can use during your broadcast, but we will not get into detail on how to use OBS. There are plenty of good tutorials available online. However, we will focus on how to connect OBS to Streams.live. Go to Settings by clicking the button here. Go to the Stream section and set your service to Custom. Then copy your URL from Streams.live here, paste it where it says Server. Then copy the RTMP key from Streams.live and paste it here where it says Stream Key. Then click Apply, OK, and you're good to go. Once this is done, choose your video source from where it says Sources, and you have multiple options to add here, but usually your camera can be found at Video Capture Device. You can also add an image, or you can add a video by clicking Media Source. When you are done, click on Start Streaming. Go back to Streams.live, in the studio, and wait for a few seconds. There is a small delay between OBS and Streams.live. Usually it is around 25 seconds. But this does not affect the end user in any way. The user will only see what is broadcasted from Streams.live. When you have signal from OBS, the links from the screen will disappear, you will have the image and the Go Live button available. Click on the Go Live button, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're live. Next, I will show you the chat function. Here the audience can comment or engage with the hosts, and you can answer back, reply to a direct question, or delete inappropriate posts. So when someone writes something on the chat, as you can see here, you have the option to remove the comment, mute the user, or reply to him. Now moving on to the lower side of the studio, you have the products bar. Here you can promote the products you are selling in the live session by clicking Promote or Hide on each product. When you talk about a specific item, it helps sales to promote the product directly on the screen. It will be bumped in front of the audience, so they can just click on it and buy it right in that moment. The last button we have is the Settings one. Here you can enable different features on the go, so if you forgot to add the chat feature before starting the live, just click on it here and it will appear. The same goes for Chat as Guest and the shop. When your live session ends, it is important that you first stop the session from Streams.live by clicking on the You Are Live Now button. Then you can go to OBS and stop streaming. And you're done. Make sure to check your recording in the media section. Thanks for watching, and remember, stream it, sell it with live shopping on Streams.live.